I built an AI agent to automate something that I should have been doing every week, but I didn't. I was so backed up that it would have taken me hours to catch up. Instead, it took me 2 minutes. I'm going to show you what it actually changed. So I built my first AI agent this week to automate something that I was doing manually, updating my YouTube content tracker. I already use Python for data analysis, so I thought this would be pretty straightforward, and it wasn't. There's definitely a learning curve. The code was okay, but everything around it took more effort than I expected. I had to set up Google Cloud, I had to enable Google Sheets API and the YouTube Data API, and figure out how to connect everything properly. And one thing that caught me off guard, which shouldn't have, is that I didn't realize that I needed a separate API account for Claude. Now, I have API account for ChatGPT for some of my personal analytics projects. So I should have known this, but I didn't. So I had to set that up, add billing, and preload some credit, all of this before I could even run the agent. And then there was authentication, OAuth, permissions, getting access to my own data. That took some real trial and error and lots of setup, trying to figure out how everything connected with each other. But once it was working, it completely changed the process. And I'm super excited about this because this is going to save me so much time. Instead of explaining it, I'm going to actually show you what changed so that you can get ideas and inspiration for yourself. Here is a quick before and after of my content tracker. All right, so here I'm going to show you what I use my AI agent to do. So here is the before. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about my tracker. So this tracker is a way for me to keep track of the videos that I'm working on, of the videos that I have posted on YouTube. So I want you to see what I have so far. If you look at my channel, you can see that I have a lot more videos posted than the one that's showing on my tracker. So I wanted my AI agent to update this. I wanted it to update the video title. I wanted it to update the published date. I've done a few shorts that I haven't put in here. I wanted to also look at the names of my video titles, and sometimes I make changes in the names, but I just don't have time to update this. This is really great, but I just haven't had the time. I work full time. I'm a mom, so this is just what I do on the side, and this falls behind when life is lifing. So I want to show you what's on this tracker. I have the video title, I have the dates, the date that I publish, and I also have the status. So again, I have all of these videos that I have already published that doesn't live there yet. Okay, so sometimes I write my script, I do my research and I write my script and get it. So this is supposed to help do that. And I didn't really tackle this with my AI agent. These are all the stuff that I'm trying to keep track of. And in a perfect world, this will be full and filled and I keep it updated. Hopefully I can set up an AI agent that can do all these later. All right, so this is again the before. Notice how few video titles I have. Notice the published dates and the post dates. And then I had the agent add more columns. So right now we are here at K with my notes that I have. And what else? I have episodes link and pin comments. I also want to do comments, but I just haven't had time. I want to drive engagement, but I just haven't had time to actually put those comments and pin it to my video. So stop right here at end. Here now is the updated sheet after my agent. So I want you to see now that I have my full list of videos here. It has all of my video titles. I also had it go back and look at the video titles. So for example, this very first one I posed, before you judge your data team, define what is good. And now notice how your data team isn't failing, you never defined good. So that's actually a update that I made. So it went back and changed the video title of that very first video that I made. Your data team isn't failing, you never defined good. Okay, so it went, updated my videos, put the actual titles here, made sure to put the dates here. Now I also have my shorts that I've published. It put it in and showed that it was at an ad hoc timeline where so it's not one of my regular videos. So it went ahead and updated that. So now here is what I have. I even had it go, I have some content that I'm working on and I told it to go ahead and add it to the list. I haven't started on it yet, so it just added it to the list for me. And then it updated the status. So these are all published videos, so it went ahead and updated the status as well. And then I wanted it to add more columns here for me. So I wanted to have a list of my thumbnails shown. So it grabbed my thumbnails from my YouTube channel. These are the thumbnails here, and it updated all of it. I also wanted it to have the YouTube URL. So it grabbed all of the URL for all of my videos and it put it here for me. And then, like I told you before, I want to I want to put comments to get some engagement going and have people talk, but I haven't had time to do that. So I asked it to go and read my descriptions to videos and give me some proposed comments. So this will be a great starting point for me. So as I'm considering what can I write to help bring that engagement that relates to my video, it went ahead and proposed it. So now I'm not going to start from scratch. I can kind of see what it has and I can edit it and I can think through it and I can, if it's good, I can use it as is. And then here are, I also wanted it to look at my videos, see how long they were, see the duration of all the videos, and is able to grab all of that. So this cost me all of 7 cents. And it's very, really cool and it's really interested. It was my first stab at using an AI agent. And yeah, I wanted to put my use case out there to get your mind flowing as well if you're wanting to try something like this. So for me, when there's new tools out there, new technologies out there, I like to do personal projects to kind of get used to it, to learn about it, to tinker with it. So this is my personal project to get into AI agents. I've used, I use ChatGPT, I use Claude for things, but I have not actually stepped into the agent building, and I plan to build more actually today. I'm planning to build an agent to help me with a task that will help. So this would have taken me hours, but once I built it, it's super easy, super cheap. It was quite a bit of getting the tech together to do it. But now that I've done the first pass, I know it's going to get easier and easier. So how have you used AI? Leave it on the comment below. I'm always interested to hear about all the different use cases. And I post ideas like this every week. So if you liked it, found any value in it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.